Number 0. Moving the ball. Number 25, open shot. No good, rebound by Basket. Lead the shot. Good for 2 by number 14.
Akala ko,
Number 0. No good. Rebound by Basket. Number 7. Number 7. Open shot. Good for 2. Official score. 4-0. Number 0. Dribbling the ball. Number 25. Still by number 14. Salte. Good for 2. Official score 6-0. Number 0, number 1. Binigay kay number 0 again. Cute. Pumasok, foul. Who's foul rep? Number 25, it's the first personal foul, first team foul.
tatlo bali.
Binigay number 66. No good. Binigay kay number 14. Number 14, no good pa. Number 3. Out of bounds.
Kasabi si Patrick. Sana po, USM po. Kabila. Sa amin po sa amin. Kabila. Sa Kanatan po. Kanatan po.
Kanatan.
Yun. Talo po sila kung nakaraan.
Naglaro na ba?
Doon po sa PS5. Ang venue po na, PS5 dito. Talo po sila. Pinagdanahan po ni Tantan. Pero wala si Patrick na. Saka si Arden. Bang bang!
No good pa rin. Still pa rin pa. Sale. No good. No good pa rin. Still pa rin. Number 25, good for 2. Official score 6-2 in favor of. 6-4 in favor of Pamla USF. Number 7. Pumasok. No good.
Ano nga daw po dali? Si Paeng daw ang naging score. Ginagawa daw ni Paeng. 1 point lang po ang nilalagay. 1 point lang ang nilalagay.
Kita ninyo, sila ko po.
Kita po ni Bugoy. Tapos si Arnold. Pwede na sana mag-request sa PDC.
Number 13. Binigay kay number 3. Number 3. Binigay kay number 7. Binigay kay Lernan. Uy, side step. Sweet moves. Number 2. Official score 8-4 in favor of Pamla USF. Number 0. Binigay number 3. Good for 3. Number 3. Official score 8-7 in favor of Pamla USF.
Kung gusto matalo ni Manilo, yung kabila. Ano po, kasi bali yung mga nakakampi. Nababang po sila yung kabila. Yung kay Uwe. Kaya naglipat.
Binigay kay Corona. Binigay kay Regina. Out of bounds. Save ball.
Kenneth, sabi mo, lockdown mo.
Kay Nuno yun ano.
Oo, ano. Ito kabila kay Uwe. Bagay silang sila. Sa Dupa yan pala rin 15 above eh. Isang division lang. Sir! Kailan na po ito? Kailan na po?
Official score
Yung po kayo sa video ko.
in favor of USA. Number 25. Good for 2, number 25. Official score 9-8 in favor of BGS. Masa, binigay ka salde. Number 30. It's over. 15 to shoot. Top pin. Still play foul. Number 28. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. Number 0. Binigay number 25. Wide open shot. Foul of number 2. Number 0. Binigay number 3. Number 2. Official score 11-8 in favor of BGS. Steal by number 13. Number 13. Pumasok. Still by Masa. Papagot. Open shot. Good for 2. Official score 11-10 in favor of BGS. Number 0-0. Binigay number 25. Direct. Still shoot. Foul. Number 28, so second personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 54 seconds, 0-0. Binigay number 25 again, for 3. No good. Good for 2, number 3. Official score, 13-10 in favor of BGS. Number 30, shooting the ball. Binigay number 66. 15 to shoot. Pedal line for wide. Out of bounds. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 13, bounding the goal. Binigay number 0-0. 0-0. Just cover. Binigay number 3. For 3. 3. Counter. Number 28, it's your Sabret. It's your third personal foul, third team foul.
Puro points.
Official score 13-10 in favor of. Official score 17-10 in favor of BGS. Official score 17-10 in favor of BGS. Remaining time, exactly 2 minutes better now for wide team. No good. Number 13, foul. Who's foul rep? Number 13, it's your first personal foul, second team foul. Number 14 for the first time. Connect. For the last shot attempt. Rip by number 13. Binigyan kay number 3. Binigyan kay number 0-0. Binigyan sa 9. Binigyan sa 25. No good. Number 13, Inaras, big number 66. Cross over. 15 to shoot. Number 14, no good. Rebound by number 25, big number 0-0. Number 0-0, pwede back room. Pwede back pass, 15 to shoot. Number 66, foul. Number 0-0, it's a first personal foul. 13 foul. Official score 17-11 in favor of BGS. Number 66 for the first time. For the last trap, now again. Number 6, number 0-0. Official score 17-11 favor of BGS. Number 0, good for 3. 1. Official score 20-11 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 56 seconds. Number 6, binigay kay number 7. Good pass. Foul, who's foul right? Number 25 is your second personal foul, warning for penalty. Official score 20-11 in favor of BGS. The remaining time 45 seconds for the first try. For the last try, Tonet. Number 0. Remaining time 40 seconds. Number 25, number 0. Favorite shot. Nahut, rebound by number 13. Remaining time 30 seconds. 3 by number 3. Official score 23-12 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 20 seconds. Remaining time 15 seconds. Number 14, foul. Who's fouling right? Who's fouling right? Number 0. It's your first personal foul penalty. Official score 23-12 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 12 seconds. For the last try, Connect. Remaining time 12 seconds. Again, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Official score 23-14 in favor of BGS. Master, nagtataka. Binigay ka number 13. Binigay sa kita. Binigay tigar na. Tigar na half step. Foul, number 0. Second personal foul, first team foul. Official score, 23-14 in favor of BGS. Wow. Nahut. For the last try. Free-throw line. Connect. Official score 23-15 in favor of BGS. Number 23. Binigay kay 15 to shoot. BGS. Nineteen 23. 1923 para. Yang dua pasangan. 23. Reds. Reds. 15 to shoot. Number 13, taking the ball for a three. No good. Out of bounds. Number 0. Next set. Taking a dance for three. No good. Give up number 13. Take a straight. To that man. Still foul. Number 7, short. First personal foul, first big foul. Number 6, hang about you. For three. No good. Give away number 7. Number 7. Bringing by the man. Number 66. Still. Official score 25-17 in favor of BGS. Number 7. Bringing number 13. Bringing number 30. To the man. 15 to shoot. Good for 2. Official score 25-19 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 6 bringing in 28. 1928, nagkakausap. Pumasok. Inalikiran. Straight. No good. Nakuha niya number. Binigay is number 0. No good. Binigay mo kay 0. Foul. Foul. Number 0. It's your third personal foul. Second team foul. Sabat. Official score 25-19 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 66, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 66 again. Rebound by number 7, number 7. Foul. Who's fouled it? Number 0, it's your second personal foul, third team foul. Number 7. Connect. For the last try, connect again. Official score 25-21 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Number 23. Airball. Rebound by number 7. Binigay kay Bernal. Bernal. Binigay kay number 13. Number 13. Left-handed move. No good. Rebound by sweet moves by number 0. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, Sior. Second personal foul, running for penalty. Timeout, man. Official score 25-21 in favor of BGS. Back to the broadcast. Remaining time 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Official score 25-21 in favor of BGS. Apat na po ang kalamangan ng BGS. Number 30. Pinagin ko. Pinagin number 30. Number 30. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 30. Pinagin number 0-0. Good for 2. Okay, Reds. Official score 27-21 in favor of BGS. Number 28. Jerry shot move. Good for net. Remaining time 4 minutes and 3 seconds. 19-28, dribbling the ball. Pinigay number 30. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Official score 30-21 in favor of BGS. Number 30, pinasa number 66. Jumawi. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Jump shot. Connect. Official score 30-25 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 0-0 from the net. Number 20. 15 shoot. Official score 30-25. Number 66. Nilasa number 7. 15 to shoot. Number 7. No good. Rebound by 19-28. Number 8. Rebound by 27 again. No good. Rebound by 13. Number 13. Ano ulit? Pumasok. No good. Kanya ulit. Number 12. Same ball. Remaining time 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Official score 33-25 in favor of BGS. Steve by number 13. Binigay number 0-0. Zero double team. Binigay number 13. Binigay kay Reds. Official score 35-25 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Number 7, pinasa kay number 66. Good for 2. Official score 35-28 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 23, pinasa kay Reds. Reds. Connect by number 13. Good for 2. Official score 37-28 in favor of BGS. Number 30, dribbling the ball. Binigay number 13, binigay number 66. Wait. Local shot. No good. Rebound by number 13. Number 0-0. Binigay number 23. For 3. Correct! Official score 40-27 in favor of BGS. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. Number 30. Binigay sa kita. Binigay Pedernal. Pedernal. Pumasok sa step again. Foul. Foul. 19-28. It's yours. First personal foul. Penalty. The first round. No. Pedernal for the last shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Taylor shot. Connect. Official score 40-30 in favor of BGS. 40-29 pala. Sorry. Barreto. Pinasa kay number 23. Binigay shot. No good. Binigay kay number 26. Binigay kay number 66. Naglaban move. No good. Rebound by Pedernal. Foul. Who's foul now? Remaining time, 1 minute and 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. Sorry, pardon. Connect. They're not for the last shotgun. Connect again. Barreto, hitting the ball. Pay pressure. Pinigay number 13. Number 13. Who sidestep? Sweet moves, correct. Official score, 42-31 in favor of DGS. Remaining time, 45 seconds. Number 66, pay pressure. Pinigay Pinagman. Pinagman, pinigay sa gitna. Throw their move. No moves. Out of bounds. BGS ball. Official score, 42-31 in favor of BGS. Barreto, binigay kay Renz. 5 on shot, no good. Out of bounds. Official score, 42-31 in favor of BGS. Remaining time, 28 seconds. Remaining time, 20 seconds. Number